Hello everyone, myself Ved, and today I am going to teach you how to revise reaction sheets. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you about the alkene one. So if you look at the alkene, we can categorize the reactions of alkene in three major categories. The very first one, we all knew the electrophilic addition one. So I can write here electrophilic addition. The second one, a specific reaction also known as name reaction. Clear? So we can say name reaction. And the last one we can say here reagents or other. Clear? Means some special kind of reagent and specific functions as well. So we all knew in electrophilic addition we have a carbocation as an intermediate which can rearrange as well at the same time. So here we can say the key point is carbocation reaction intermediate. And now you have to know which kind of reaction is a electrophilic addition for alkene. So we all knew hydrohalogenation one, the addition of HX. The second one, addition of water as well, which is called hydration, means addition of H plus H2O. And the third one, we can use alcohol in the presence of a proton, addition of CH3OH with H plus. So generally these three have carbocation as an intermediate and it can rearrange and then nucleophile attacks on the most stable position. What is name reaction? We all knew alkene generally gives few name reactions like oxymercuration, demercuration. In short, we can say OMDM. And the second one is a hydroboration oxidation, which is HBO. So I can say OMDM, which is oxymercuration, demercuration. So look at the word mercuration. So mer means Markovnikov's addition. So you should know the reagent of this as well, like HgOAC in the presence of NaBH4. So this is OMDM, oxymercuration. Second one is a hydroboration oxidation. So in this case we have B2H6 with H2O2 OH minus. So whenever you have H2O2 generally in alkene, it gives anti-Markovnikov's addition. So HBO is a name reaction of alkene, hydroboration, oxidation. Third one is the most important, ozonolysis. Clear? We all knew it is of two type, oxidative and reductive. So you can categorize like oxidative and reductive one. And you should know the breaking of alkene as well in ozonolysis one. And the third one we can use like syn and dihydroxylation. Hydroxylation. Clear? Means the addition of two OH group in same side and opposite side. So same side is like OSO4 and KMNO4 and NT is like RCO3H in presence of H3O plus. Clear? In the other one we can use Br2 with CCl4, Br2 or Cl2 with H2O, and you can use here MCPBA or you can use here, both are no issue with that. Clear? So we all know MCPBA gives you epoxide ring over the double bonded carbon. So this is the best way to categorize alkene, and once you have a clear idea about all the reagents here and name reactions, then you can do your own roadmap. Let me tell you. Suppose we can select any of the alkene which suits you better. Suppose this one. Clear? And now you can write down all the reagents with a known product like this. Suppose you can start with electrophilic addition, then reagent must be in your fingertips. Like we can use here HBr A, then second HBr with H2O2 B, and then we can use H plus H2O, which is C, and then we can say CH3OH in the presence of H plus. Clear? So this is all about the electrophilic addition. And then in the next, we can use here the name reaction one. Okay, like OMDM, you can write down the reagent as well, like HgOAC, you know, NaBH4OH minus, which is E. And then we can use here HBO hydroboration oxidation, which is B2H6H2O2OH minus F. And then we can use OSO4 here, G. And then cold KMNO4, H. We can use here MCPBA, and then we can use here O3 zinc H2O, the ozonolysis. Clear? It means whenever you have reagent in your fingertips, you can write down like that and then take your time and write down the product as well. So it can give you a very clear idea about all the reagents. Whenever you are familiar with the reagents, it will always be easy for you to write down the product of that. Clear? So do not memorize each reactions individually. Always categorize the reaction. That will always be helpful for you. Thank you so much. And let me, yeah, like this. You can take a picture of this. Thank you so much.